All right, cue the chaos because we're unboxing a G-Shock. Now you see there's two of them here. We're only going to unbox one. All right, you're going to have to come back on a different occasion to see the other one. These are the fine metallic series. They're made of metal all the way around, okay? So let's go with this one and see which one it is. All right. And it comes in, well, this isn't a burlap sack. This is like diaper material. Oh my goodness! It's made of gold! Look at that. The band is gold. The bezel's gold. The screen is gold. The other band is gold. The keeper's gold. The buckle's gold. The tang is gold. The string is like string, white string, and this tag is white paper.
Look, on my necklace I have string.
Oh, you got string? Okay. I got some kids here helping me because they really add to the chaos of an unboxing. Let's take this off. All right.
Daddy,
Let's get this plastic off. Let me get out my Leatherman. Do I have my Leatherman on me? Of course I do. This is the bolster. This is actually my church knife, my church multi-tool. I try to keep this one clean. And so I'm cutting this fine G-Shock knife out with a fine knife. So look at that. Look how shiny that screen is. What a beautiful looking G-Shock. And look at the band. It's flexible, right? And it's made of metal on the edge. Is this real metal on the outside? Is it liquid metal? Have the alchemists at G-Shock figured out how to make liquid metal at room temperature? In this case, gold.
Black on the bottom.
It's black on the bottom. That's right. Look. And this is silicone. All right?
Painted metal.
This is painted metal. Don't say that to the G-Shock. This is vapor deposition. It's not paint. And already we got my my fingerprints all over this. How soft is it? Well, let's see. Let me take off the GM 2110D.
No.
All right.
That it came with.
Oh, it came with this. This was in the box. It must have fallen out when I dropped it accidentally. Okay, so this is the stainless steel GM 2110D, right? It has a bracelet that's made of metal. And, like I said before, this pin popped out on me. But now we have a fine metallic. It's gold, all right? And how comfortable is it? Well, we're about to find out, okay? And this band is actually longer than a regular band. All right, here we go. Is it comfy? Yeah, so far. I mean, it's not scratchy at all.
It almost fits me, this one.
Huh?
Almost fits me.
Almost. Just drink your milk and you'll fill out the watch. The silicone is touching my skin. And you guys who watched the preview video would know that this is a triple layer sandwich, all right? Let me see if we can focus in on it because there's metal color on the outside. Is it real metal? I don't know. I might have to get the voltmeter out. And then this urethane band, and then on your skin is the silicone, all right? And so all three of those together make a watch that looks beautiful because you got that gold, feels comfy because you got the silicone, and it's durable because it's urethane, all right? So bing, bang, boom, you got a triple banger here, right? And so the bezel is screwed on. I think this is just a basic watch, basic functions. Get the timer. Oh, here's the time, the main time. This is incorrect. I got to set it. There's no multi-band 6, no solar. You get alarm. How many alarms? I don't know. Timer with the local time in the upper right hand corner. Stopwatch. We can still see the time on the stopwatch. And we're back to the main time, right? Does not appear as though we got different beeps for the... Oh, yeah, we do. We go back to the main time. Look at that mirrored inner bezel, right? It's gold. And this LCD, guys, does this LCD look gold or silver? Like where the time is. Does it look gold or silver?
Gold.
It looks gold?
Gold. Gold.
Gold? Okay. So the effect is that it's gold all the way around, all right? And some of my fingerprints are popping up. You might need to bring a microfiber cloth with you at all times just to polish your watch. I'll just use the diaper it came with. In the oil field, we have these oil absorbent rags that we throw down whenever anything's like leaking hydraulic oil, whatever. It looks like this. We call them diapers. So it's going to keep like a cloth with you at all times to polish your watch. Right when you walk into, church or to a wedding, funeral, a dance, court, night court, traffic court, criminal court, court TV. Oh yeah, look, I just shined it and it's just like, this is beyond bling, right? Bling does not even begin to describe how shiny it is. This is like, it looks like this liquid metal wrapped around my wrist, okay? Now, you guys remember on the preview video of the Fine Metallic series by G-Shock, I was saying how this band is long. It's a 215 millimeter sized band system, so big wristers, it will fit big wristers. Small wristers may not like how far around it wraps. And the notches are spaced further apart and fewer, okay? So, but where'd my watch go that I was wearing? Where'd the GM2110D go? Oh, thank you. Byron's trying it on. But the advantage of a band like this is that there's fewer failure points, right? I mean, a steel bracelet of any type has pins on every link, right? And so, and it has this like clasp, which in this case is like a locking jaws of a tractor trailer on a kingpin, right? And so there's a number of failure points. Whether the watch will fail on you, I mean, that's probably not, but for some of us it does happen. This watch, you got a regular buckle, so there's fewer failure points. So if beauty and toughness is your priority, that you're prioritizing toughness, the Fine Metallic series may be for you. And if you're trying to save money, right? Because this one costs, I can't remember how much this one costs, around $300. The gold ones cost a little bit more. It may cost less. I can't remember. I'll leave a link below in the description if you are interested in this gold digital square G-Shock watch, okay? Because we'll see how many comments I get wearing it, whether it is generally perceived as being nice. Denise is coming home soon, and we will get her honest reaction to this one. And I bet it will be an inquiry as to its cost. You know wives, gentlemen, but after she gets over her questions about the cost, we'll see whether she appreciates its beauty, whether she thinks it's beautiful, or whether it's actually beautiful and rich looking, or whether it's how shall we say, redneck rich, I don't know. I think the comments, some of the commenters in my preview video were kind of suggesting that this might be like mall watch tier beauty, maybe a fashionista rather than, truly fashionable. I don't know. That's a matter of opinion, but I think that like I said, bling does not even begin to describe this, because bling. You need like facets and certain angles to achieve bling. And this, like the way that the metal shines, it's like I said, it's like liquid. It's like someone poured molten gold around my wrist. Or you've seen glass blowers, how they're like blowing glass while it's still liquid. It's a thing of tremendous beauty. I feel like picking up the trumpet and banging out some jazz songs. So I might have like a jazz duet with Denise where I'm playing the trumpet, she's playing the piano. All right, so stay tuned for that one. And maybe I'll play that TikTok song with the trumpets and the piano. But this does feels pretty cool. And this band, putting it into the buckle, it's like you can feel it's like a little more resistance getting it in there than on some other G-Shocks. But and the fingerprints are showing up, right? But maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just too greasy. All right, gentlemen, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes to the Father except through him. Stay tuned because, we have a lot of tough testing to do on this one because, the G-Shock engineer said they work to make this abrasion resistant. How abrasion resistant is this whole band system? We got to test that. Caliche and, oil-based mud and sharp objects on diesel deck engines. Those are the kind of things that really challenge the beauty of watches. Where's my GM2110D? I mean, look how scratched up this one is, right? And this is just my church watch. Now imagine if I were to wear this to work out in the oil field. That would be a real test of its resilience. And that's the plan. So stay tuned for that. I'm Jim Kincaid. Thanks for watching.